very fun.
Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind, and though I know that there is nothing to find.
You guys, there is a bird in here. And it keeps hitting itself. Oh god. What do I do? How do I make it go the right way? Oh god. It's gonna hurt itself. Come on. The other way. This way. Okay. What if I like give it some bread or something? I can't get to the bread. I don't know what other food I've got. Oh god. Come on, this way. This way. There. Go on. That way. Yay! That was exciting. Anyway, now I'm going to head for my midwife appointment. I'm gonna go for that, and then I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. I need to film a bump date today, and finish a Gravid Fuku video as well. I'm so tired. And I woke up at 4, but I was also waking up before then. Like 4 is when I got out of bed, so not feeling top form today. Ooh. So I'm back from the midwife and I'm in my pajamas. I am just so tired today. I mean, I have been up since 4 o'clock. Probably only slept like 3 hours before that, so. And I'm pregnant, so I guess it's kind of natural. The midwife appointment went well. Generally, everything's okay. There was one little thing which I'm going to talk about in my bump date, which I haven't filmed yet, but hopefully it will be out by the time this video is out. If I haven't passed out by then. I think I am going to take a nap actually now. I don't usually take naps because I mean I sleep worse at night, but at this point like it's 2:30 and I just don't see how I'm going to survive until bedtime tonight. So yeah, I'm really hoping that I am not going to have this problem when I go on maternity leave. When I finish work next week is my last week. And I'm really hoping that if she's not early, that I've got, 2 or 3 weeks to just chill out and start feeling a bit better again. But I don't know if that's going to happen. Like, I've just been waking up at like 3 or 4 o'clock a lot of nights and then just not sleeping again. I don't have trouble falling asleep when I go to bed. It's just when I wake up at around that time. So I don't know. We'll see. Sorry this hasn't turned out to be a very exciting vlog today. I just, don't have much energy. I think I'm going to take a snooze now. So I have just woken up from about an hour-long nap, and I'm sort of at that stage where, when you take a nap and you've got that like shaky, slightly shaky, disorientated feeling where you don't know if the nap was the best idea ever or the worst. That's the feeling I've got. I'm just chilling out on my yoga ball or pregnancy ball. That's the mess I made. This sofa is amazing. We bought it from IKEA, and it's a bed thing. You pull this thing out. I can't English right now. I'm too tired. Anyway, it's really cool. Anyway, I need to film a bump date, so I should do that now while I have built up a tiny bit of energy. Really interested to hear what you guys want to hear about. Like, maybe there's something you want me to talk about in these vlogs, or you have a question about being British in Norway, or if you're not Norwegian, what Norway is like, or about pregnancy, whatever. Like, yeah, if you leave questions or have something you want to write about, what blah, 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 blah. If you have a topic you want me to talk about, just leave it in the comments, and I will see it. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna make you guys a bump date now. I've just finished editing bump date, so I'm gonna upload that and then do the subtitles, which is actually the bit that takes. Sorry, my camera is flashing at me. I'm not sure why. Yeah, doing subtitles is actually the bit that takes longest, which is one of the reasons why I am doing Vlogtober in English, so that I can actually do a video every day. Otherwise it would be impossible. But yeah, and then I'm going to edit this vlog for tomorrow. But I'm feeling a bit bad because yesterday's and today's, I know, haven't been very eventful. But the thing is, I am feeling pretty rubbish. I've moaned enough. You guys know I'm tired and I feel ill. So it's kind of hard to the past couple of days to make sure that there's something exciting for you to watch. But this month is actually going to be pretty eventful. I've got like a few things booked with friends and a few things booked to sort of pamper myself as well, try and make the most of having some time off and not having a poopy bundle of joy to look after all the time. So hopefully Vlogtober will be a bit more exciting for you, and I hope you've enjoyed this anyway.
See how you've grown while you roam in the streets all alone.
I'm back on the ball. It's 8:30, and when I'm done with this, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna sleep, and hopefully I'll sleep through the night this time, but you never know. I'll let you know tomorrow if I manage. Anyway, have a good day, afternoon, night, wherever it happens to be when you're watching this. And yeah, good night.